gold hits $4,000 an ounce for the first time. In a historic milestone, gold prices surged to $4,000 per ounce on Tuesday, marking the first time this threshold has been reached. This increase is driven by strong investment demand amid ongoing geopolitical and economic uncertainty, coupled with expectations of further interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve. So far this year, gold has risen by 51%, bolstered by significant central bank purchases, heightened demand for gold-backed exchange-traded funds, a weaker dollar, and growing interest from retail investors looking to hedge against rising trade and geopolitical tensions. Notably, the first quarter of 2025 saw gold record its strongest quarterly return since 1986. Gold is traditionally viewed as a safe haven in low-interest rate environments and during times of economic instability, making it a popular choice for investors seeking to preserve value against inflation. The recent government shutdown has left traders and policymakers without access to federal data, including the crucial monthly jobs report. Key inflation figures for September are expected next week, leading investors to depend on secondary, non-government data for insights into the timing and potential extent of Federal Reserve rate cuts. Markets are currently pricing in a quarter-point cut during the Fed's upcoming meeting on October 28th to 29th, along with a similar reduction anticipated in December. Michael Langford, Chief Investment Officer at Scorpion Minerals, stated, "I see gold reaching $4,300 per ounce over the next 6 months as the US dollar is expected to continue to depreciate." Billionaire investor Ken Griffin expressed concern over gold's emergence as a safer asset compared to the dollar. He remarked, "We're seeing substantial asset inflation away from the dollar as people are looking for ways to effectively de-dollarize or de-risk their portfolios vis-a-vis US sovereign risk." In a bullish move, Goldman Sachs raised its December 2026 price forecast for gold from $4,300 to $4,900 per ounce. Additionally, data from the People's Bank of China indicated that the country's central bank added gold to its reserves in September for the 11th consecutive month, highlighting ongoing global interest in the precious metal.